This like last week, and I feel like I overfilled the oil a little bit, and then I drove it, and then I took some of it out, and I feel like it kind of like maybe knocked some dirt loose or something. I don't know, maybe broke a seal, but anyway, just drop it here. Listen. It sounds really bad. It's real ticky. I'm gonna stop right here and then get going from stop. Like what we can hear. What it sounds like. Not good. So it sounds like it's ticky. It sounds like a Volkswagen to me. Like, you know, Volkswagen sounds. They like. Jesus Christ! What did I just hit? Lord. Alright. Let's go. So it doesn't do anything. It sounds fine at normal idle, and then like once you get up to about third gear, and fourth and fifth, and it just sounds like this, just a fucking Volkswagen. It's a 2003 Subaru Legacy. I'm just gonna drive it until it fucking explodes, just like normal, and not do anything because my mechanic sucks. And unless you have some ideas. I'm just gonna drive it as long as I can. It's got 230,000 miles on it, and we'll see. It's an experiment I'm saving right now for a new car.